So in this video, you'll see me tilt the enemies so hard they'll most likely uninstall the game and never play again. And I know that's what you all love. Enjoy. Oh my god.
Actually, one point. He left the game. I think he risked it. Can I heal it?
Jeez. I got 4. What the? We lost that fight. But that was a nice shot. That was nice. That's nice. Okay, house is dead. Winnable. I'm gonna grab a shot and kill the Mercy now. Exciting. Welcome to Grandmaster Overwatch chat. Oh, big sleep. Here we go. Just gonna rest that though. Got him.
Oh, we're low. I choked.
Unlucky.
There is no reason to try to win in this game.
Suppress this target.
I had to.
No one can hide from my sight.
Bruh.
Fine execution.
Have walls up there, not hear that. Get one.
Suppress this target.
I fucking hate this game. Get the fuck away from me, Ryan. What the?
Distance is no obstacle to
Hannah's one.
No one can hide from my sight. Perfection in flight.
Mental
Enemy
asylum.
tank is so tilted, it's crazy. Why did both come from me? What the fuck?
Wait till Lucio work time it goes ready.
Push you off.
Horrible players.
25 final blows. Not bad.
Disgusting awful animal shouldn't be allowed to K-comp.
This guy is so mad. I think he needs a break in this game. Awesome hero. Peak of skill right there. We gotta kill his face a bit more. We gotta get the content now. Sorry.
No way, bro. I wanna see that. You actually killed me.
Oh, okay, look in the chat now. Awesome hero. Oh, yeah. Called it. Push it low. Overbuff, no skill crash. Spawn kill the Ash a bit here. I got her! That's what she says. Play a real hero. No, that's a wrong fucking target. There we go, we got her. Bruh. Oh, 21 to 3. I got the trace at least. Dude, I've killed this tracer so many times. Got it. Oh, this tracer. Yeah, they fucking want me badly.
No one can hide from my sight. My
Kill him, kill him.
Right here.
Sorry. Wait, kill him, listen.
There's one. Let's spawn kill him. I'm gonna put a bend mine over there so Sombra shows up.
Distance is. You can.
Go slow.
Suppress this.
Merci.
Nice. Good round. I got no ring. Bruh. Fucking pool spawn me as well. Gonna turn around a bit more over there for Sombra when she's on me, and we can kill her easily. We're dead.
Large targets are such.
Nice, GG's. 22 final blows. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so dead here. Oh, I got one.
Oh, what was that? Whoa!
Die. Oh my god, thank you, Anna. Anna saved me there so much. Nope. I'm dead. Straight. This is warm-up games. It's fine.
Calm down. Pretty soon.
Nice, nice.
But you're a top 500 world challenger, you never do.
I'm out damaging both of you.
GG's guys, love you.
Insane aim. Oh, nice. What?
What? Cheats? Wow.
Oh, I'm back.
Wait,
What the fuck?